The awards make pharmaceutical companies feel good. They're very, very proud of the fact they've won a Prix Galien.
They celebrate innovation, research and advancement in pharmaceutical industries, and I think this is really excellent to try and enable them to produce more drugs.
I think because to win a Prix Galien award is a validation of the quality of the science and the research that they do, and it shows that they are able to identify and develop technologies that are really going to help patients, and that in essence is the core of the pharmaceutical business.
In fact, some people have actually called them the Nobel Prize of pharmaceutical industry. So I think probably it will be up there, because this is different from the others.
It's what we call team science. So often prizes are given to individuals, Nobel Prizes and so on. But this is team science, and it's dozens of people, and many of them come to the ceremony, and they're immensely proud of having been awarded a Prix Galien.
I think it is a very worthwhile award because of the way it is focused. It is focused on innovation, on companies recognising areas of unmet need, recognising novel ways or investing in novel ways of treating diseases, and ultimately that benefits patients.
I think it's the rigour in which we actually go through analysing them. We have some wonderful submissions which we then go through with great detail, and the committee and the judging panel is really from all aspects of medicine, which I think is so good, because it actually gets an overall view. But also, we go through the science, we go through the innovation, we look at the trials, where it's done, but also, which I think is very important, we actually look at the other side and what's the benefit to patients, populations as a whole, and what sort of diseases can we use them in. I think it's immensely important, both to the pharmaceutical industry, but I think also to the public, to realise that there are industries. The pharmaceutical industry has a very bad reputation with the public, but in fact this would actually show the public that in fact they are innovating. Research is all important, and it's also expensive, and I think we ought to be really helping them develop new drugs.
I think it's an extraordinary award, not invented by me or anybody like that. I'm just proud to be involved in it because, as I've said earlier, it does reflect our gratitude to the thousands of people who work in the pharmaceutical industry developing new drugs that we need. And my God, we need a lot of new drugs.
It's an immensely important award to win.